This is a recap of important concepts from solutions that you should have learned last year. You may have learned them and forgotten them, and if you forgot them, you got to go back and start remembering them. So first of all, you should remember the characteristics of a solution. It's a homogeneous mixture made up of a solute, or more solutes, and a solvent. You should know terms like concentrated versus dilute, saturated versus unsaturated, molarity. You should know what it means for precipitate forms. In other words, you should recall the solubility chart from last year and how to use it. You should recall that if you get a precipitate, it's going to be insoluble or it's going to be low solubility. And if something's soluble, we're not getting a precipitate. You should know, and I don't think I'll have a problem with this, calculations involving figuring out the concentration of ions. That should be pretty straightforward. Precipitation reactions, net ionic equations, that should be pretty straightforward from last year. The hardest section seemed to be qualitative analysis, where I'd give you a mixture of ions and I say, hey, pull them out one at a time. And that meant you really have to understand your solubility chart. So if you don't remember those things, hopefully you didn't throw out your Chemistry 11 binder. You have those notes and brush up on things.